Why question what you can't see? Mankind took for granted the air it breathed, and we paid a price. Before the corporation, the sun provided us with light, warmth, and air. We were promised these forever, but we were deceived. When the sun died, so too did mankind. Vegetation withered, and the oxygen disappeared. Our drifting planet was sealed in ice. But not all perished. The bold survived. Prepared, we prosper, deep underground.
Good morning, Val. Sleep well? Or were you too excited for your Traverser exam? I'm still feeling rather under the weather today, I'm afraid. We have to exchange our oxygen tank today, but I don't think I have the strength. Your old man's not as young as he used to be. I hate to ask this on your big day, but could you go and fetch a new one? I believe we still have a voucher left on the kitchen table. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I don't know what I'd do without you. Don't stroll around town for too long. You still have to prepare for the Traverser exam. And don't forget your journal. You always seem to forget things without it. It's probably upstairs on the table. Valerie, when you borrow the TV, don't forget to switch it back to Raven News when you're done. Otherwise, the backplay function won't work.
Please report any rebel activity to your nearest Raven Guard, and the threat will be dealt with immediately.
Well, if it isn't young Valerie Bennett, fabled daughter of one of Raven Corporation's brightest employees. How are you? You look rested. That's good. Big day today, eh? I'll have the privilege of supervising you during your Traverser exam later. I have some things to attend to, but I'm looking forward to seeing you in action. Don't be late. Yes, don't be late. Can't have that. I wish you the best of luck. Good day.
I wonder if we will ever travel between Brimstone and the surface. Last week's report indicates it's still a frozen, uninhabitable wasteland.
Keep living. Keep safe.
Thank the Ravens for our fortune.
Best breathable air in town. Don't forget to refill your tank. Hello, Valerie. Here to check on your tank, eh? I believe it arrived this morning. Let me take a look. Yes, here it is. One oxygen tank for the Bennett household. I'll keep an eye on it, and you go let your father know it's arrived and waiting for him. Oh, but Valerie, you know the law. No one under 18 is allowed to handle this much oxygen. There's not a lot of this stuff to go around. You can never be too careful. Fine, take it. I know Linus has been ill, so I'll make an exception just for you. But hurry along. Don't get caught with this, or we'll both be in trouble. And please, tell your father we should meet for a cup of tea like old times. It's been far too long.
Rebel activity sighted in Sector 3. All nearby citizens, please remain calm. Raven Guards have been dispatched to your location. Lower to upper city travel is currently restricted to Raven Corporation employees only. To gain...
Val, you're back. The fresh air feels just lovely. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm starting to feel better already. Now, you'd better hurry to Raven Corporation headquarters. Your Traverser exam is starting soon. Good luck today, sweetheart. And remember, whatever happens today, wherever this test takes you, I'm so, so proud of you. I know you're meant to do wonderful things, and I couldn't have been given a better daughter. Now, hurry along. I'll miss you.
If you have any complaints concerning the Raven administration, feel free to submit them via the TraceBot delivery service. Your
In a hurry?
opinion matter.
Why? It's not like you're saving the world or anything.
Please report any rebel activity to your nearest Raven Guard, and the threat will be dealt with immediately. Gravity fields in Sector 5, 17, and 32 are currently down for maintenance. All traffic will be redirected through Sector 7 and 8. You are the pillars of this community. Keep working, keep living, keep safe.
I work for Raven Corporation. I'm very important, just so you know.
For everyone's well-being,
We are watching you. Why?
such as rioting, sound
Because we care. We are all the same. We are all cogs in the machine that is life. And to ensure that all cogs are functional,
due to the ongoing oxygen refinery strike, please ration your oxygen accordingly. Rebel activity sighted in Sector
Just
3.
walk away.
All
You don't want to
nearby
mess with me.
citizens, please remain calm. Raven Guards have been dispatched to your
Surface,
location.
surface, surface. I don't want to hear any more stories about the surface. Yes, Miss Bennett. It's your turn to go through the test chamber. Proceed through the main hall, then turn right and press the large, rather obvious button once you're ready to begin.
At last, Valerie Bennett, our final candidate for today. How wonderful. I've been absolutely bored to tears watching failure after failure waste my time. First things first, this is just standard protocol, you understand. By the laws of Brimstone, I am obligated to inform you that as a traverser, you'll be assigned difficult and challenging tasks that some people may not understand or appreciate. You'll most likely visit places that are rather unpleasant. Raven Corporation started the Traverser program to train a new breed of peacekeeper with the power and authority to flip between upper and lower city with ease. This better enables them to enhance the safety of Brimstone's many inhabitants. Your work as a traverser will include such tasks as patrolling both Upper City and Lower City to ensure the safety of its people, discouraging and reporting any and all suspicious activity, blah, blah, blah. You know all of this already. Let's skip the rest, shall we? Please, make yourself at home. Refreshments are on the table. Do you see that television over there? At least I think it's over there. Can't quite tell. My screen is a bit fuzzy. Anyway, we've recorded a few videos that you must watch before we can let you advance. It's for your own safety. Watch our charming crime fighter, Traverser Freddy, and follow his examples. Good luck in the test chamber. I shan't interfere too much.
Welcome to the Traverser Testing Program. To your right, you'll see the latest version of the all-new Gravity Manipulator tool, commonly referred to as a Gravity Glove, which strives to enhance the security and efficiency of Raven Corporation's most dedicated employees. With the Gravity Glove, you'll be able to move objects with the greatest of ease. Take the Gravity Glove from the podium and use it to climb the platform to your right. In this next room, you'll need to be as quiet as possible. Try to sneak past the sleeping guard. Be careful not to let the cameras see you. They'll set off the alarms.
There she is.
You will now face one of our new Peacekeeper bots, also known as PK bots. Try to keep a good distance. They will explode if you get too close. Enter the room and push the button in the center to release the PK bot and begin the test. Emergency warning. Emergency warning. Unknown error. System overload. Now rebooting. System failure. System failure. System failure. Peacekeeper bot dispenser malfunction. Now purging PK bot inventory.
Valerie! Every PK bot is activating at once. The system has sealed off the doors. We can't get in. You'll have to try to fight them off alone. But the only weapon in there is boxes. Oh, heavens! You poor girl. I'm so sorry.
Well, my goodness. That was rather unforeseen. So very glad that you made it out in one piece. Yes, let's continue, shall we? Now that you've mastered the basics, it's time for your final test. Here you'll learn how to use a flip station. This is to simulate traversal between the two sides of Brimstone, upper and lower. No doubt you've seen a flip station before, yes? It's one of your dear father's many inventions. Your mission is to sneak past the guard and get to the other side without being noticed. One problem. There are lasers blocking your way. Go ahead, girl. Use the flip station to the right and discover the next piece of this puzzle. In the room next to you, you'll find special boxes that can block the lasers. They'll burn through you in a matter of milliseconds, so do be careful. You're doing so well, it would be such a shame if you suffered an accident. In the room next to you, you'll find special boxes that can block the lasers. They'll burn through you in a matter of milliseconds, so do be careful. You're doing so well, it would be such a shame if you suffered an accident. There it is. Behold Raven Corporation's brand new top-of-the-line cloaking device, the Barrel. With the Barrel, you'll be protected against lasers and can sneak past guards with ease. Go ahead, girl. Try it on.
Very impressive. I'm sure you'll accomplish great things for us. Well, that's it then. Working hours are around the clock. You may keep that gravity glove. It's now assigned to you. Wear your own clothes to keep a low profile while in public. Let's see, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Heavens. Heavens, would you look at the time? It seems that we finished your exam earlier than scheduled. That's not good. Maybe you would like to enter the test chamber again? No. Well then, no helping it. Off you go, I suppose. Now take the elevator to exit the testing area. I'm quite sure we'll see each other again soon enough. Have a good day, Traverser.